Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Rucci Reacts coming at y'all again with another unboxing video. And sorry that I've been off the grid lately. It's just I've been working a lot. That's the main thing. And I also my allergies have been bad. So, but anyways, let's get right into it. What I'm unboxing today is the Michael Jackson Xscape album. So I decided to get the Michael Jackson Xscape album because I was like, what the heck, I'll just get an album that was dropped after he died. So why not? So this is it. And let's get right into this thing, shall we? All right. Oh, it's shiny. And it came with a piece of paper. What's this? Oh, music today. The estate always does this. This is the receipt. Alright. And here we go. Oh, Michael Jackson Xscape. Hold up, let me turn on the light here. God, freaking daylight savings. But here, this is Michael Jackson Xscape. So, and this is the back. Blue Gangsta original version. This is the back. Love Never Felt So Good. Chicago, Loving You, A Place With No Name, Slaves of the Rhythm. This album was released by the Michael Jackson estate in 2014. Yeah, in 2014. So, yeah, let's crack this open. And this cost me like 40 bucks because the freaking Michael Jackson estate, I wanted 2-day shipping and it cost like 19 bucks. And this album cost cost $17 and together was 40 bucks. So that was ridiculous. So I'm gonna just try to open this up right quick. I think I might need a knife. Okay, let's do this. And got it open. Try to get this plastic off. And here we go. This is very shiny. Like for real, this is very shiny. Oh, check this out. See? Michael Jackson. Well, a silhouette of Michael Jackson. And, whoa. Huh. Wait, something dropped. Let's see what this is. Is this a poster? Wow, this is bad. Wait, hold up. Is this for real poster or is this like a picture? Like a small picture. I guess it is kind of like a poster. It's kind of like a semi-poster, small picture or whatever. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, Michael Jackson right here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see. I guess I can just slide it back in here somehow. Oh, I guess I can't. I'll just set it over here for now. All right. And this is the inside. And how do I get the CD out? This is there's the disc, Michael Jackson, Xscape. Xscape. Gotta get away from the system views in the world today. Xscape. On behalf of the Michael Jackson estate, John Branca and John McClain. Yeah, they need to freaking drop some new how about another Michael Jackson album? John Branca. And this must be the Xscape booklet. When it came to his music, Michael Jackson was never one to play it conservative. Each new album was a chance to surprise people, to introduce new sounds. I always want to do music that inspires or influences, and said Jackson in a last major interview in 2007. Oh yeah, Rodney Jerkins. He also worked on this album because there's some Invincible unreleased songs in here. So I think this also was supposed to come with a oh yeah, another disc. Xscape, and this is the Xscape documentary. I'm about to watch that later. The Xscape documentary. Take a break from all this election madness. So, and watch some Michael Jackson. So yeah. This is Xscape. Oh wait. Xscape. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. Please subscribe for more content. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will be dropping more videos. Dropping some more videos. So stay tuned, hit that notification bell, and please follow me on Instagram. Follow my Instagram at RucciReacts. Follow my Twitter at RucciReacts, and also add me on Xbox at RucciReacts, and add me on Snapchat. That one's Lil Gucci 300. So yeah, follow all my social medias. All the links will be in the description below. It's been your boy RucciReacts, and I'm out.